Guys, we know you have plenty of choices on where to buy a 3D printer, but what we really believe in is it's not just about buying a printer, but it's about getting that service and support that you need to take your business to the next level. And that's why we've introduced the Vision Miner Tactical Service and Support. If you deserve and you feel you demand this type of service, give us a call. Let us know what your use case is. Let us know what the situations are, and we'll do our best to make sure we get you up and running in the fastest time possible.
So I think it was a Tuesday afternoon, and I got a phone call from this guy named Robert. The guy already knows about the Funmat and everything, and he's just asking me about the parts to print and if we can print a sample part. He also wanted to come in and get trained on the machine. And we're like, awesome, sounds good, you're local, so you can come in, it's super easy. He ended up coming in on Saturday, and we had the printer all set up ready with all the accessories on the sides, turning on the machine, loading the filament, changing the extruder, and doing all the basic bits, all the way up to slicing the part and putting it in the machine and printing the actual part in ULTEM 1010. So we got his part successfully printed and loaded up the machine into his car, and he headed back down, and now he's printing parts for his business. So obviously printing in PEKK and ULTEM is not the easiest form of 3D printing. It's actually pretty advanced. It was great to have Vega come in and have me train him on the machine and how to do this stuff, so that I know he's gonna go out and he's gonna be successful printing his parts, because he's seen every little bit, the little tips and the tricks. It was super cool seeing Vega hold the part in his hands for the first time, made out of the proper material. Seeing this guy go from a new business concept to a fully printed functional part. He's doing some cool parts in the aerospace industry, and just to see that I had a hand and that Vision Miner had a hand in helping create that, and just seeing where that goes over the next 2 to 5 years, it's gonna be absolutely incredible. I can't wait to see what he makes and what he does with that whole thing.
Sent the part to Rob. He shared some of his expertise. We did this little consultation here, and here we are. We went from start to finish, live part right here.
In what, under 2 hours?
In under 2 hours. Went from 3D design to live part, 2 hours.
Yeah.
You can't beat that. I mean, with tooling costs, with turnaround times that are in the weeks to months, you can't beat 2 hours. And this is ULTEM 1010 right there. Now we're into phase 2. Now we're going to do testing. We're going to run simulation. We're going to actually test fit this with actual live ducting and then make modifications based on that. Now comes even the most exciting. Now we want to literally analyze this as a chemical compound and see what we can do to not only make this stronger, lighter, strengthen the strength to weight ratios. And that's what we want to do. It's beautiful. I mean, just to put in the hours, I developed this Diffusion 360 Autodesk software, and just to go from design to holding in your hands, there's just no better feeling. This is my baby, right? This is in a nutshell, this is my baby. So.
And that's it, guys. That is exactly why I started this company. If you see the passion in Rob's voice and how excited he is to help, and then you see the cheerful just joy on Vega's face when he sees that part for the first time. I mean, to take it from your mind, your thought, and then hold it in your hand. That's why we're in business. We know you guys have a lot of visions out there. I know you have a lot of things that you can think of right now that you would print with this machine, and we want to help you get there. So guys, reach out to us at any time. We got the toll-free number. Shoot us an email. Let us know how we can help, because that's what we're here to do. We had an absolute blast today. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button, and we'll keep putting them out. Have a positive day, and I'll see you on the next video.